to improve the quality of education for Black children in Missouri. Now, they are working to unite parents, community members, and policymakers to improve education outcomes. So please welcome in the founder of BLAQUE KC, Dr. KCTV Hill. Thank you so much for being with us here this morning. It's very inspirational, the work that you're doing. Just go ahead and tell us a little bit first about BLAQUE KC.
Awesome. Thank you for having me this morning. So BLAQUE is an acronym. It stands for Black Leaders Advancing Quality Urban Education. We're a small nonprofit combined of teachers, parents, grassroots leaders, all working unapologetically to improve the outcomes for Black children in public schools here in Kansas City.
Well, let's go ahead and talk about some of those challenges that kids face in school. What do our students, as they get ready to go back to school this next school year, what are some of the challenges they're going to face?
Well, first, we try to take a broad look. And what we see in the state of Missouri, when we look at assessments, the 2021 assessments, that's the first year coming out of the pandemic, only 40% of all students in the state of Missouri were on grade level. That's all race and ethnicity and income level, 40%. So we know we have a lot of room to grow and improve in educational outcomes. But when we disaggregate that data by race, what we find is only 15% of Black kids. That means 85% of all Black kids attending public schools in the state of Missouri are behind. And research tells us that unless we are intentional about disrupting those inequities, kids that enter school behind will remain behind.
So you obviously have the data to back all of this up that you just cited there. You've done your homework. So how does BLAQUE then go through the process of helping to improve the schools?
Absolutely. So we believe here at BLAQUE KC that the cornerstone of a quality educational system is good governance. You will see us doing the Charter School Board Draft. That's an event we're hosting Saturday at Arrowhead Stadium. We have 12 phenomenal charter schools. We recruited 16 phenomenal community candidates from all over the city. And at that draft, we will be pairing, our schools will make their selection on who they want to join their board. So we built the capacity and strength of school board members. Then the second space that we really work in is what we call organizing and advocacy. We believe that you won't have a quality world-class system without active engagement of parents and community members. So we share the data, we make it easy to understand. We talk about how do we move parents from little A advocacy, which is my kid, my school, to big A, which is all kids, all systems. And then we lead through policy. We believe to make changes in schools, we have to codify our wishes and dreams and demands in policy that's actionable.
I can definitely agree with that, and having the parental involvement is so key, especially in educational matters. And then we ask this question of all of our interviewees for this segment: why does representation matter?
Yeah, representation matters in education, and it's just not just something that we say here at BLAQUE KC, but it's actually supported by research. Research suggests that Black kids, really kids of color, but particularly Black kids, have better educational outcomes when they are educated by teachers that look like them. And in the state of Missouri, 96% of our teaching workforce is white. So we believe that if we work collaboratively with community partners, we can increase the diversity in our school system. We can match kids with teachers that not only reflect them, but also believe in their promise. And so here at BLAQUE, we know representation matters, and we're working with community and schools to help diversify their workforce.
Well, you're taking over the BXKC Instagram account tomorrow. What can we expect?
Oh, I am super excited. One, I've learned really how to do Instagram, but we're making a major announcement on BXKCs, and you will only exclusively get it there. We have a major event in which we're celebrating teachers, and we want everyone to come out and celebrate our teachers, because so many of the back to school events focus on parents and students, as it should. But after these last 2 years of educating through a pandemic, we know that our teachers need to be recharged. So we have a major announcement. Follow BSKC, follow BLAQUE KC on Instagram.